Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is D'Angelo. Today we will be practicing basic Dutch sounds. We will focus on the first vowel, the letter A, and the vowel combination double A. We will be practicing using example words and example sentences, and we will also have a listening practice. In this part, you can listen to a story and try to answer questions about this story. Well, hope you are excited. So, let's dive in. Today we're going to practice the short A sound or the korte A klank in Dutch. We're going to use a rhythm. So this is the rhythm. Repeat after me after you hear the sound of the triangle. That's this one. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cut. Cut. Next sound. Tuck. Tuck. Next sound. Jas. Jas. Great. Hope you had fun. Let's go to the next section. In the next section, we're going to practice the lange A-klank, or the long A sound. Here is the rhythm again. Haas. Haas. Kaas. Kaas. Raaf. Raaf. Here are some more words you can use for practice. If you want, you can pause the video and say these words out loud. In the next section, we're going to practice sentences using the long A sound and the short A sound. In this section, we will also use a rhythm to stress the main words, so meaning the words with a long A and the words with a short A. So this is going to be the rhythm in this particular case. All right. De haas draagt een jas. Your turn. De haas draagt een jas. Very good. Let's have a look at the next one. Here we go. The next one. De aap eet een appel. De aap eet een appel. If you can, please write some short sentences like the examples that we have just practiced. Leave your sentences in the comments below and we'll have a look at them, okay? Now, let's watch a short story. Let's have a look at the questions first. Please focus on these questions and try to answer the questions after you watch the video. Er was eens een aap die woonde in het bos. Op een dag zag de aap een mooie muur Wat een mooie muur, dacht de aap. Ik ben blij. Here are the questions again. I hope they turn out to be easy. Please answer the questions, and if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.